Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that an square root equation. It is very interesting and challenging math. To solve this equation, let's go start. Here we can write solution as we can from this equation 96 plus root over 13 plus root over 7 plus root over x, okay, is equal to this equation. Both sides we get square and root cancel, so is 96 plus root over 13 plus root over 7 plus root over x is equal to 10 square is 100. Okay, then we transform 96 from left side to right side. We can write here plus root 7 plus root x is equal to 100. Then we can write 13 plus root 7 plus root x is equal to 4. Again, square this equation both sides. We can write square and root cancel. Then we can write 13 plus root 7 plus root x is equal to 16. Again, we transform 13 from left side to right side. We can write 7 plus root x is equal to 16 minus 13. Then we can write subtract from 16 to 13. We can write 9. Square this equation of both sides. We can write square and root cancel. So 7 plus root x is equal to 9. Again, transform 7 from left side to right side. We can write here root x is equal to 9 minus 7. Then subtract from 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Again, square this equation. We can write square and root cancel. So x is 4. It is the final value of this equation. Now we verification. We put x is equal to 4. The equation is 96 plus root over 13 plus root 7 plus root x is equal to 10. Now put x is equal to 10. X is equal to 4. 96 plus root 13 plus root 7 plus root here is 4 is equal to 10. Here we use integration sign. 96 plus root 13 plus root 7 plus, we know square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root of 2 is equal to 10. Okay, then we can write 96 plus root 13 plus root 7 plus square root cancel, so we can write here is 2 is equal to 10. Then we can write 96 plus root 13 plus root 9 is equal to 10. Then we can write 96 plus 13 plus here is 9 is equal to 3 square. 3 square is equal to 10. Here square and root cancel, so we can write 96 plus 13 plus 3 is equal to 10. Then we can write 96 plus root 16 is equal to 10. Then we can write 96 plus root 4 square is equal to 10. Square and root cancel, so 96 plus 4 is equal to 100. So here 96 and 4 is equal to 100 is equal to 10. 10 is square and root 10. Square and root cancel, so 10 is equal to 10. So the final value of x is equal to 4. Okay, here the solution is equal to x equal to 4. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. Okay.